calibration tips on the light spider. After the light spider's put together, you have your CDS cells here and here and here. I have these pointed down to the board, the white board in here, these two areas, there and there. I have these settings, these resistors at the lowest setting. Those control the speed of the motor. And once you get this all calibrated, you can turn that up. In this case, I just left it as is because it's fast enough. And then I put the light above the first CDS cell here, and I just make this small little circle with my headlamp. And I notice I'll make a little adjustment there. That needs to go that way just a little bit more. All right. So just moving this headlight just a little bit is getting a good motion on there. Now let's calibrate the other side. Again, I'm just doing a small circle. I'm going to point that down a little bit more, or maybe to the right a little bit. Now these are the fine touches that you need in order to get this spider to follow the light. There it is. Looks pretty good. He's following the light pretty well. Let's do a figure 8 here. There you have it. Your light spider.